Would you love to know the journey that people take when they visit your website? What's the first page they hit? Do they read your blogs before they head to your service page? Do they download a lead magnet after they hit your service page? Well, what if I told you there was a way you could find out? That's with Google Analytics Path Exploration Report. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Hi, my name is Rebecca with Three Groves, and I help small business owners learn how to measure their marketing so they can spend less time behind a computer screen and more time living the life that they want to be living. All right, now let's jump into the tutorial. You're going to open Google Analytics, and to get to the Path Exploration Report, you're going to click on the sidebar on the left-hand side and click Explore. That's the third one down right now anyways. You can click Path Exploration. It's going to open up a Path Exploration report for you. All right, and this shows you from the beginning. So like when people hit your website, where do they go? The things that I like to do, I like to keep this event name as session start for the first step. And then for the other steps, I like to change it to page path. I want to see the slug that people are going to. So this helps you see when people are landing on your website, where are they landing, and then where are they going afterwards. So say you want to answer the question, 1, where are people landing on my website? This will tell you, step 1 tells you, so this was session start, and then you can see this is where people are landing. When there's a blue plus and a number and it says more beside it, you can click on that and it will drop down the rest of the things. So again, you can continue to click that and it's going to open up all the things that you can see. If you want to change the date, that's here on the left hand side. So right now it's just the last 28 days, but if you wanted to change it, you have tons of options here. So maybe we want to look at quarter to date. You click it and make sure you click the apply button. It'll load again for you. Okay, and the next thing that you can see is when you click on anything in step 1, it'll open up another step for you. So like I can see here that when people are visiting my website, they're landing on the home page. That's kind of obvious. That's good to know. But the things that are kind of more insightful for me are, where are people ending up on my website if they don't come to the home page? So this is a blog post that I wrote about using collaborations to build my email list. And so I want to see where people go after they read the blog. So you click on the blue bar and it'll open more things up. So this is pretty interesting. I can see that some people, after they read the blog, they went to my about page to learn more about me. Some people went to my blog homepage so they could learn some more. One person visited the Do-It-Yourself Marketing Measurement Bundle sales page. One person read another blog post. One person downloaded, that is my free marketing measurement playbook, and another person read a different blog post. So that's super interesting to me. I can see what people did. So if we want to see step number 3, where did people go after they read the blog post about strategic email list growth and then they visited my about page? If you click the next blue button, it'll open up step number 3 that shows you what they did after that. So pretty interesting. If they read the blog and they visited my about page, most of those people went to look at my services page, and one of them went back to the blog. So let's see if they went anywhere else after the services page. Okay, cool. So 3 of those people, all 3 of those people that opened up the services page also went to my shop. Let's click and see if they went anywhere else. Nope. Okay, so that is where they ended. They left the website after that. Okay, so you can spend 8,000 hours inside of this path exploration report just kind of learning about your user behavior. So I just wanted to show you how to use it. Specifically, if there's any questions that you're trying to answer, you can probably find the answers in here. Like, where are people going? How are they traveling around? If you have some specific metrics that you're looking to improve, like time on your website and maybe bounce rate, this is interesting to kind of see if you can come pull some patterns. If people aren't visiting anything after a step, is there something that you could do to make them stay on your website longer or visit more pages? So this starts from the front, from the beginning. You can also go from the back. So you can go from a conversion event and see what happened that led people up to that conversion event. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You just hit the plus button. We're going to do another path exploration, and you have to hit start over So now it gives you the option to start from an ending point. So we're going to do that, and we're going to start from an event name. I'm just going to choose my marketing measurement playbook. That's the only thing that is really important to me right now. So you can see that the date stayed the same, and you can see that my ending point is here. Now, if you open up this ending point and you're like, but I want to have 8 million lead magnets, I want to change them. Totally cool. Click on the blue bar and it opens up all your events. So one of the things that's really important in order to use this report, you need to make sure that you have your conversion events, which Google now calls key events, set up. So just make sure you do that. And then we're going to do the same thing on step number 1. I like to see the page path. It gave me an error, but I just hit okay and it worked. So I'm not really sure what that was about. So we will do the same thing. So they downloaded the marketing metrics playbook, and we know that the page in order for them to do that is the thank you page. So that's totally cool. That's what it's telling us. So let's get to clicking. All right. So most of those people came from the marketing measurement playbook. That makes total sense in my head. But then we can see here that one person visited my custom marketing analytics dashboard. That's a sales page for my custom marketing analytics dashboard. So it's interesting to me to know, even though I don't have a ton of data right now in this specific thing, that there was a person who was like, cool, I read the sales page, but I'm not ready for that. And then they downloaded the lead magnet. So that's a win in my book. If we want, we can maybe look at the last 12 months. Let's see if we can get some more data and we can just explore a little bit more. This gives us a little bit more. So let's see. Yeah, cool. Okay, so some people came from my Instagram page. You know, I have like a link in bio page. I have that set up in the Sluggish Instagram. It looks like some people, this is a weird thing maybe I should think about, but this person was on the thank you page before they landed back on the home page. So maybe they are back on the opt-in page. So maybe they just hit the back button. But then this is interesting to me to note too, that there were people that downloaded another lead magnet of mine and then went on to download this one. So that's kind of interesting. And then we can see that there was someone who was on my Connect page, which is like where you would schedule a call if you're interested in working with me. And one person was on my services page. So the way that that's going to inform data for you is that you're going to be able to see if there's some drop off. And hopefully by seeing how people are ending up opting in to your opt-ins or completing a conversion event, you'll be able to answer some questions about tweaks that you might need to do to your content. Do you need to move some call to actions around? Do you need to make sure that you're linking even more than you already are to capture the leads that are visiting your website? If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'd love to answer them.